guys, welcome to Living Food Wise. I'm Janine and today we're going to be bringing another one of our toolbox videos. It's a Moroccan spice blend called Ras El Hanout. Now, if you know much about cooking, you'll often find that each region or country has like a particular spice or herb mix that is often used in their cooking. And some use it more frequently than others. I know I have tended to focus on the Middle East because I am Middle Eastern, and their spice mix is called Baharat and it's used in everything. Well, today's mix, Ras El Hanout, is not used in everything. It's used in very special dishes, and it's a beautiful blend of spices. Not dissimilar to the Indian version with garam masala, but a completely different taste profile, but used in a very similar way. Okay guys, let's get started with this beautiful spice mix. Now, the most important thing to remember about making any spice mix is your spices should be super fresh. Now, you don't necessarily have to grind them yourself. You will certainly get a more complex flavor and a deeper, richer flavor if you get the whole seeds or cloves or whatever it is and grind it yourself. However, as long as you buy your spices fresh and you're using them fresh, that's fine. It'll certainly save you a lot of time. So I have, first thing here is our ginger, ground ginger. The second thing we have is some cardamom. These are the two spices that are going to have the most quantity in our mix. It's a small container. Okay. Next, we have coriander, yum. And our ingredients, quantities are all below in the description. Turmeric. Don't you just love the color of turmeric? Be careful on white surfaces, it does stain. Some cinnamon, which features a lot in in Moroccan cooking. Some allspice. And some nutmeg. Oh, that's how fresh it is. It's not even open yet. Brilliant. All right, in smaller quantities, some ground black pepper, some white ground pepper, some chili, and I am using Aleppo chili. It's a sweeter, milder chili. Oops. That was actually star anise. This is the Aleppo chili. That looks better. Pepper always makes me sneeze, so don't be surprised if I start sneezing in a minute. Last but not least, in a much smaller quantity, is ground cloves. It's very strong. And here it comes. No. Okay, so that's our spices. That's it, guys. Now we're just going to mix it. How easy. But oh, the smells are magnificent. To me, it's a sweeter herb mix, spice mix. And I think it's because it has those, you know, the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Beautiful. No salt goes into this spice mix. You can add salt into your food directly when you're using it. Beautiful. That's it. I wish you guys could smell this. It is magnificent. Let's put that into a container. All right. Very important to put it into an airtight jar when you're ready. Okay. Okay, that's our mix. Now we've only made a very small quantity, and I tell you why. This is a very strong spice mix. You don't need a lot of it. So unless you're planning to doing heaps of Moroccan cooking, only make a small quantity at a time. That way you keep it fresh and you have a fresh mix all the time. So that is our beautiful Ras El Hanout spice mix for your Moroccan tagines and other. You can use it as a spice rub on grilled meat. You can use it to marinate roast or baked meat as well, and veggies actually. But traditionally it's probably best known for its tagine inclusion. Ras El Hanout. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. And don't forget to hit the like. Subscribe if you haven't, and leave us a comment, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.